Dave Snyder here. It is August the 11th, 2014. And interesting thing happened last night while I was trying to overlay a picture of Moscovience, Mare Moscovience, because I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but Moscow, Moscovience, I wanted to put the two together, right? I wanted to put Moscovience, the crater on the moon, Moscovience, flipped over, and I wanted to put it here over Moscow to see if it fit there, right? Well, I had my Google Earth set right here. I clicked on the overlay button, and I haven't been able to repeat this. This is what pisses me off, but I hit the overlay button, chose my picture of Moscovience, and it's a real shitty picture of from Google Moon, but when I clicked on it and went to set it down, it was not there. It didn't put it there. It actually put it right over here. Right here. Put it right here. And I actually moved it like a dumbass. But anyways, this is the picture of that area right here. This is the picture that Google Moon gives you. It's really crappy. No detail whatsoever. And there's reasons why they don't give you detail. I'm going to show you a detailed image in a minute. But you can see, and you're going to see why. This is why. How you're going to see that they are hiding things. Like, we can get a good picture of Moscovience, just this part of it, but the rest of the outside you can't get it all at once, everything at one time. They'll give you little pieces of it, or just, because if you had all of it, you would be able to do this all the time. But anyways, before I did any of this, I was on Wonder Maps. Damn it. And I was on Wonder Maps before I even put that there. I wasn't even thinking about this whatsoever until it put it in that spot. Until Google Earth put that crater right in this spot. I mean, right in this spot, right here. See that? Let's let it settle. It takes a second. I don't know why. I think the kid in the house is using his computer as a gaming server or something. I don't know. But anyways, it put it right here, Moscovience. It automatically did it on its own, and it's done this before. It used to do it before in the past. I'd try to put a picture down somewhere, and it would put it on the opposite side of the world. I wasn't even there, you know what I mean? I wasn't targeting that area, and it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to put it down where you put it. But it sometimes does that, and when it does that, you check it, because every time it's ever done that to me, it's put itself in the right place, like the best fitting location on the planet Earth. After you flip the moon over. Anyways, you can see there's something there, right? So I saved this image here, and I went to. This is garbage here. I couldn't do anything with this picture of Moscovience. This is total, complete garbage. Until after I was able to use this other picture, and then I could see what they were doing. But anyways, right here, I brought up this picture, and it's just in the middle of the Pacific. It's oversized compared to how it's supposed to be, but just so we can see it basically. And then I brought up a picture of Moscovience that I downloaded off the internet. And I'm not saying I got it perfectly aligned or anything like that. I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm just saying it put itself there last night. It put this crater in place in this location on its own. Now, this picture here, I can see there's a line here, an edge there that's pretty straight. You can see this, and it comes to a point, and then curves back, and you can see it does this. And then, but you have this little area here that kind of throws it off, but it's there. See it? It sticks out right here. See this area that sticks out? And it's just like this big round area that cuts off the straight line. Well, there it is. Right? Oh, God. Hold on a second. I don't know what's going on here. See it? It's right there. Like I said, I don't have a perp, but the point is right there. Comes to that point, and then you see that area right here, this whole area, and the clouds there, and then you see the straight line continue, just like that. Now I'm thinking this crater here might be this area right here. Did you see in the weather there? It might go with that, or it could be this. I think it does actually go with that there. I did line it up, but I can see that. I can see this line right here. I can see that line. I mean, that's a defined edge right there. That's really defined in this picture anyways. Then you see like this crater right in the center there, which is like, this area here. I'm sure it goes there. I'm sure it does. Because I mean, this right here just confirms that that little area that sticks out. You can see that there, and you're never going to get it all perfect, but there was a reason why I put itself there. You know, I wasn't trying to put it there at all. There it goes. There it is, right there. I think that's it. I might have it a little too big too. I don't know. Then I brought up the other picture. Where the hell is it? This one here. And when I did, I could see what. Let me see. I'll turn off this one. I could see. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. Maybe it was a different one. I had it there. Maybe not. Oh yeah, this isn't the same. Where is that one I had up there? I just had it there a second ago. Oh, right here. There it is. Okay, so when I brought this one up here, I seen it like I could see it. The curves, like this curve in the jet stream. See this right here? You can barely see it. There's like a curve right here. I don't know if you got your stuff set to full screen, but you can see like this curve comes around, and it's right size, right place. I can see that with my screen. I got my glasses on and everything, so I mean, there's definitely a curve there, right in the right spot, at the right size. I mean, it's not right in the right place exactly, but it's right there, you know. And then you can see, I thought I could see this a little bit. See how this curves back a little bit? I can see that. So that's just something interesting that happened last night, and I wanted to point that out. I wasn't going to do anything with it until I could see something there. I mean, I couldn't see anything there before I put this picture up. I mean, I could, but it was just not defined enough. They don't give you the edges you need. You know, it's hard to get those pictures with the edges and stuff. You know, this is still shadowed and everything else, and it's not really that great either. But I think that's it. Definitely comes to this point, and there's like an edge here that you're not seeing, but this being here confirms that. I think it's definitely there, that round area in the clouds. And you can see this, like this area here too. I can. So interesting, I think. I'm going to start doing some work with some old pictures that I got of the weather that I just popped up a picture of one here, like this, like these are old images of the weather on Google Earth, and you won't see these anymore. You will not see these anymore. Usually. What did I do with this one yesterday? Oh, I had this on the moon. This is reverse, and I had it on the moon. Check this out when I do this on the moon. Pretty interesting. See the square shape in the center? This is the North Pole of the Earth. And I guess I gotta go. Hold on, let me just show you real quick. Real quick. Oh, I'll pause and I'll come back. Okay, anyways, you see that square pattern in the middle of this is the North Pole. I said you will not find weather on Google Earth like this anymore. If you do, you better save it, because it's really rare that you'll find any weather like this anymore on Google Earth. They totally are hiding everything because they've downgraded the weather. They have not made it better, they've made it worse. So when you see somebody downgrade something, you know they're hiding something. I mean, you know it, because when they give you the good stuff first and people start to use it to find things like I do, and they know I'm finding things because they definitely are watching your Google Earth. I'm telling you, they watch you on your Google Earth. You'll see the screen blink all the time in Google Earth, and that's them screenshotting what you're doing. I guarantee it, because there may be some things that are undiscovered on this planet that they haven't found yet, and if you find them, they're going to know before they're going to get to it before you can even think about getting to it. Guaranteed. That's what it's all about. That is what it's all about. They're going to find it probably before you find it, because if you just are getting close, they already know, because they've already found everything already. You know what I'm saying? I hope you do, because it's a real thing. They downgrade the weather on Google Earth and downgrade other things too. It may look cleaner and nicer, but it's not. They take away detail, guarantee it. Okay, so this is over this. You see that? See where it put it? See this area in the middle? Look at that square shape right there. I didn't put it here actually. It put it, I might have adjusted it just a little tiny bit, but it put itself right here, right in this place. And then I've seen this like up here, this area. See this spot right here? You can see where that falls right over. That's what I lined. I've seen this and I lined that part. It was just a little off to the side or something, but I aligned that little spot there with Moscovience right there. And where is that? It's hard to see where that actually is in this picture. It could be. This is Russia. Backwards. Is this backwards? This picture's got to be backwards, right? Yeah, it's backwards. See? Okay, so that's Russia, or is it? Yeah, this is where's that island? So this is Russia. This would be Alaska over here. This would be Alaska over here. So we got that thing being. It's hard to tell. It looks like it could be in the right area, anyways. So here we go. You see the square in the center? I just thought that was pretty interesting. I just wanted to show you that. But I'm going to start doing more stuff like this with these old pictures. So, anyways, I got to go. I got people blowing up my phone. All right, later.